Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Now I promised you guys a 1 month update on the DoorDash situation, but I figured we'd go one better and we're going to give you both of our totals for the last 4 weeks. Now this is my first 4 weeks. Missy was going a week before I was, so I'm just going to use her last 4 weeks to go with mine. So we're going to get together with all the numbers, lay them all out for you. Now, right off the bat, we have to tell you that I collected a $150 bonus. You collected
$650 bonus.
Yes, that was because I did 240 deliveries and I signed up under her, which is completely within the rules. So she got a nice boost to her numbers thanks to me working my butt off. Now, here we go with the numbers, and if any of you want to join, sign up, whatever, DoorDash, each of our links will be down in the description below. Feel free to use them or use whatever link you want. But here's the numbers from 1 month. So, for my first week, as you guys saw in my previous video, I did $517.04. Now my second week, I turned it up a notch. I did $702.72, but that's with my $150 bonus. Nice. All right, so still a good week. So the third week, I wanted to go even harder. So I did $682.39. All right, and then I smashed it out of the park the fourth week with the highest numbers without bonus that anyone has done in our family, between two of us, with $963.10. All right, so to lay the numbers out without bonus, I did $2715.25 for the month. That's $2,715.25 for the month. Add my bonus of $150 for doing 240 deliveries. That brings us up to $2,865.25 with my bonus. Now,
nice.
How did you do?
Okay, so for my fourth week, or the first week, I did $620.09. The second week, I did $407.44. The third week, I did $1,142.34, which I worked my butt off very hard making Tony do his dashes, because I got a $650 bonus. The fourth week, I made $415.79. For a grand total for the 4 weeks, without bonuses, was $1,935.66. But with my wonderful husband's bonus of $650, I made $2,585.66.
All right, so you heard that her numbers were awesome based on me, because I am the top dasher in the family.
I was smart enough to sign him up.
Anyways, so let's talk about our combined numbers, because that's what matters at the end of the day. That's what's going into the checking account. So without bonuses together, we did $450.91. So in other words, $5,450.91. That's with bonuses. Excuse me. Now without bonuses, that would have been $4,650.91. So either way you want to look at it, we did almost $5,000 without bonuses. We did well over $5,000 with the bonuses. So look at it as you will, but we also work full-time jobs. We run our homestead, you know, lots of different things going on in our lives right now, and we still were able to crank out almost $5,000 worth of earnings. Technically, if you add the bonuses, almost $5,500 worth of earnings. Now that's not chump change in the world we live in, guys. I mean, it's really not. Now, don't get me wrong. There was some stressful days. There was some wet days. There's some days we were absolutely soaked out in the rain.
Oh, yeah.
But you get peak pay for that most times. So you know, getting an extra $1 to $3 per run in the pouring down rain can make you much more motivated to run.
Now, I will say I averaged 20 to 30 hours a week was what I was doing.
I was averaging about 35 to 40 hours a week of dash time. My active time was more like 35 hours. So take it as what you will. We also were not working the most premium of hours. We would go up quite early before lunch and it'd be very slow. So you need to understand that that's kind of how it all works out. My wife actually was sometimes doing it after work in a very slow market. South of us here near where she works. So these are not optimal numbers even. We don't live in a big place where there's lots of good orders, guys. This is like grind money. These are the $5 and $7 orders from McDonald's and stuff like that. Now, that said, if you want to get into this, I would tell you to check with your insurance company. Most of them require the exact same rider that you need for Lyft or Uber. For us, Progressive, you can put $20 per car you're using extra a month, and that'll cover you. It's just an extra layer of insurance to protect you. Almost every single insurance company does it. Don't let them tell you they don't. And I would encourage you to call into the main company. Don't listen to what these brokers and dealers that live in your town say, because they honestly don't even understand the system of gig work now. A lot of them are too old school.
It's changing a lot.
Yeah, the world is changing, and the way you do money, you make money here, that $20 a month per car for us is nothing. We just made $5 grand.
We
Come
can
on.
pay that.
We can afford to spend $20 extra a month per car to protect ourselves in an insurance case. Now, DoorDash does have their own insurance on you when you're on an active delivery, but I just want to drop that in there. Once again, down in the comments, I want to hear what you're doing to make extra money, what you think of this, and I would like to know if you want to see more of this content, because if you do, we would be glad to do like a vlog, like a ride along, show you guys how the whole system works, how we do it, tips and tricks and more. Just let us know down in the comments if you want to see more, and we will make more. But with that said, we've got other things to do. We're gonna go dash, we're gonna go make some money, so we will see you in the next one.
Bye. All right, get to work.
Really?
Get out of my car.
Really?
I gotta go make money. I gotta catch up. You keep beating me.
Because I'm a top dasher.
What?